Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Foothill Oak Elementary School in Vista, California, home of the Roadrunners in the Vista Unified School District. This is my third visit to their school for this school year and my final one. But today's focus was on leadership, revisiting that theme. The sub-theme was passion to purpose, right? And so we all have something that we're good at, something that we love to do, something that brings that fire inside, like makes us feel alive. And we know that even at a young age, we can already start using those gifts, talents, abilities, skills to go and help others. And that becomes our purpose, right? Of why we're here on this planet. But to already get the wheels turning, even for our younger students and staff, it's a huge life lesson. It's a huge moment, right? And knowing that leadership is such an important character trait, I love that the acronym that they live by here at their school is LEAD, right? The L for live proactively, the E for embracing honesty, A is acting respectfully, and D is displaying kindness, right? And this is all over campus, talking about leaders, talking about leading, talking about leadership. You can see another one right here on the wall here in the MPR where we had our program today. And look, the shirt that I wear for this program, it's a peace sign, but it's different colors because there's so many different ways to be a leader, but there's no right way or wrong way as long as we're doing something positive for this planet. And you also see it's in the shape of a heart because that's where our passion starts, where it begins inside each of our hearts. So when we know that it's not just all about us, that we're doing things for others too, then we start to see this world become a much brighter and better place. And one of the slides from the program, one of the stories I share is about a starfish, and knowing that just that difference to one made the world of difference, right? That's like anyone around us, right? If we can just help one person do one act of kindness, it's huge. Like it says here, every action, no matter how small, can make a difference. And if we believe that, if we buy into it, then we go out and we decide to lead the change, right? To really be that change, to put people first and things second, to do the right thing even when no one's watching, to know that we all have a shared purpose, right? To not only, help ourselves and be okay ourselves, because we can't really give unless we're okay, but then to go and look for opportunities to support one another. The students really got that. There was a lot of pin drop moments today, really knowing our worth, our value, seeing the importance in ourselves and those around us. That ties into the miracle concept that I bring up in every program because it's so important to me. The lines on our hand, the letter M for miracle, upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles worthy of love to both give it and receive it. Once we believe that, now it's up to us to go and shine our light like stars to the people around us and to their hearts, right? Hopefully helping to heal, helping to, just be there as best friends. Even if you might trying to make a new friend, right? It's so important that we continue to do that. And we also know that it's so important to really think about our legacy, what we want to be remembered for. Hopefully like someone's helping hands, like that bowling ball, someone with strong character, strong morals, values, a strong foundation that has the courage to stand up and do what's right when that time comes. So thanks for touching my heart. It was another great visit here to Foothill Oak for the AM, PM students and staff, the after school program. As always, have a great rest of this school year, a great summer break, and feel free to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.